Are you ready to unlock the magic of castor oil? In today's video, I will show you how to make castor oil for hair growth at home using simple ingredients. Not only is this DIY method budget friendly, but it is also packed with beauty benefits for your hair, skin, and beyond. Let's dive in and create this liquid good together. And so what we need to make this a recipe is some good quantity of castor seed. So we start by transferring some of the castor beans into a cooking pan. Take to the heat and roast. Roast them on a medium heat. Stir continuously so that they don't get burnt. One thing you need to know about castor seed is that they come in various sizes and colors. Some come in big sizes while others come in smaller sizes, as you can see from the video. And so we'll continue to roast our castor seed until they turn golden brown. And once it's well roasted, remove from the heat, transfer into a tray and repeat the same process with the remaining castor beans. And now that the castor seed are well roasted, I'll start by transferring some of them into a blender. And after adding some of it to the blender, I'll be going in with some hot water. Then cover and blend smoothly. The reason why we add warm water to the castor seed while blending is to prevent the castor oil from sticking to the blender, the cheesecloth, and also to the shafts. And after blending and it becomes smooth, I'll transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice from it. So add the blended castor beans to the cheesecloth. Then wrap the cheesecloth together and begin to squeeze out the juice from it. Squeeze vigorously to get out all the juice from it. And after squeezing out the juice from it, I'll set the juice aside. Then transfer the one in the cheesecloth into another bowl. Add warm water to it to rinse it. And after adding the warm water to it, dissolve it with a wooden spatula. Added more water to it, then mix together before transferring it to the cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice from it. And next, I'll be adding it to the cheesecloth. Wrap together and squeeze out the juice from it. And this time, I also squeeze the cheesecloth vigorously to get out everything from it. And once I'm done squeezing out the juice from it, I'll add it up to the other one, then set aside. Repeat the same process with the remaining castor seed. Transfer into a blender. Blend smoothly, then squeeze out the juice from it. And after blending the castor beans and squeezing out the juice, and here is the juice we got and also the chaff we got too. So I'll be setting the chaff aside. Then proceed to make the castor oil with the castor juice. Transfer the castor juice into a cooking pot. And after transferring it into the cooking pot, take to the heat and begin to cook. Cook for between 40 minutes to 1 hour. As you cook, the water reduces in size and also the curd and the oil float on top. And here we have the curd and the oil already on top. Next, turn off the heat and scoop the oil and the curd gently without touching the water into another pot. And after scooping the oil and the cord gently into another pot without touching the water, here is what we got. Next, I'll be taking it to the heat and begin to cook. So we are going to be cooking it to dry any excess water left in it. And also, as we cook, the oil begin to separate from the cord. We are going to cook until the cord turns golden brown. As you can see, as we cook, the oil begins to float on top. And here we have our castor oil almost ready. So we'll continue to cook until the cord turns golden brown. And after cooking for some time and the cord has turned golden brown, as you can see, the cord is beneath while the oil is on top. Turn off the heat and allow to cool down completely. And here we have our castor oil ready. Next, we transfer into a strainer to separate the residue from it. Castor oil has several health benefits with versatile uses. It is great for hair care as it helps stimulate hair growth. It prevents dandruff. It also prevents hair breakage. It thickens the hair and makes the hair shine and soft. Castor oil is also great for skincare as it helps in the treatment of acne. It also helps deeply moisturize dry skin by keeping the skin hydrated. It has anti-aging properties as it helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It helps in skin elasticity and also has antibacterial properties. Other benefits of castor oil include promoting of wound healing, remedy for constipation, and much more. And after filtering it, store in an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make castor oil for hair growth at home and discover all the amazing benefits this natural oil has to offer for your hair and skin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more DIY beauty tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section how you plan to use your homemade castor oil for hair, skin, or both. And remember, beauty starts with nature. See you in my next video. Take care and stay beautiful.